Hello viewers, welcome back. My dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn that how we can take our buy entry, what are the important steps to take our buy entry in my this strategy, the highest ever profitable strategy for crypto trading, for cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, BTC USD. This is really important and highest ever profitable strategy you will ever see in crypto trading, because this is really simple to the point and there is no big rocket science in this strategy. It really works like a charm and this is amazing. I'm using it from long time. And you know what people make mistake, they, for example, you have bought Bitcoin at 10,000, they will let their trade run and they will leave their BTC to run. If it goes to 12,000 or something like that, or if it comes back, so the trade will be running. But this strategy is really perfect for intraday traders. All of you guys who want to trade on Bitcoin, they want to perform small trades on Bitcoin and they want to take profit on both sides, either on the sell, either on the buy. So you can obtain profits from both sides. It is really working like a charm. It is really amazing profitable strategy and huge profitable. We will see how we can take our buy entry, what are the important steps, okay, how we can set our stop loss, take profit, etc, etc. This is really important and very simple, and you guys won't believe how much easy is this strategy and how profitable is this strategy. Okay, so let's move to our MT4 and see it there. Okay, alright, my dear students, I am on 1 hour chart of BTC USD. Here you can see all the performance of BTC USD. It is really working like a charm. Very simple, easy to the point. There is no big rocket science in this strategy. You guys can see from here. But before this, I want to tell you one thing very important and which you guys you should also implement. Just right click there and click on indicators list. Okay. After that, you need to click on this and just highlight this indicator and then click on edit. Okay. So now you need to select this width and you should increase it up to 5. So you need to select it in all the formats. Okay, and I'm gonna, so I have increased its width. That's fine. Now you will see a line like this. Now this is beautiful and amazing. My dear students, what you need to do, you can see from here up to here, this is buy entry. Now question arises how we will take our buy entry. Whenever, if there, whenever this system is going to change its color, okay, then market will give us opposite signal. For example, here we had red color, okay, and upon this candle system changed its color and we got our next opposite signal. Let me highlight it so that you guys should watch it clearly. You can see there from here we had a sell trade and upon this candle we got our this alert. Now this system will automatically give you its stop loss on the previous low, okay, recent low that will be near to this, okay. So from this, whenever this system is going to give you alert. Now sometime what happens, it is not necessary that market should be either up or down below this line. Like in this case you can see that, and either in this case you can see that market is below this line, but still there is a buy signal. So whenever market is running like this, okay, so here you will put your stop loss given by your indicator, okay, and you will let your trade run, and you guys can see that from this was the point 1915, okay, and this trade went for the 500 pips. You can see that it went for 24 something like that, okay. So this trade went for the 500 pips. This is really amazing strategy, simple to the point, no big rocket science. Now this system is 100% non-repayment. What is repayment and what is non-repayment? A repayment system is that one, for example, if market goes bullish, it will always show you buy entries. If market is bearish, it will always show you sell entries. So here if market is has started moving up, it should show you this blue line, okay? So it will never show you red line like this, and this move as well, it will show you a blue line. So this is 100% non-repayment. There are no fake signals in this strategy. Really simple to the point and highly profitable. So from here you got your buy entry, and this is where you will take your exit. Okay, let me show you where you are going to take your exit. From here, this is your buy entry level and this is your exit level. That's it. So from this region you can see that this is your profitable region. Uh, this complete region is your profitable region, right? You guys, you need to enjoy this system. Very simple, huge profitable, and there is no big rocket science again. Now once you will take your exit, simultaneously at this moment you will interrupt your sell trade again. Now this is amazing buy entry. Let me show you some again buy entries again. Amazing. Right now this buy entry is running. Okay, very simple, easy to the point. There is no big rocket science involved in this system. Buy entry from this level because this candle has been closed up. Stop loss will be given by this system. Okay, and you need to let your trade run. Now this strategy, this trade is our running, and this trade is running in more than 150 pips profit, right? So let this trade run. Let me show you some amazing buy entries in the past. This is amazing entry, right? How beautiful is this buy trade? Simple to the point and huge profitable one. So you guys need to enjoy this strategy. Okay, again, huge profitable trade, amazing profitable trade. This one, okay, amazing sell entry which we will see in our sell entry trade. Okay, excellent buy trade, again another amazing buy entry, awesome buy entry. So on every move this will show you how to take your buy entries. You guys won't believe how much profitable is this strategy. There we go, just see it here. Let me highlight this again, okay, because we have changed our time frame. So let me highlight it again. Amazing entry, huge profitable. You guys will not believe this was by entry from 10,000 and this one 62, 10,600 something like that, 62.5. okay, and this trade is still running. Okay, and market is up to 24,000. So 14,000 pips in your trade. What else you guys you need? Okay, huge profitable this strategy is, and this is 100% non-repayment. And I have seen that this system really works like a charm on daily time frame on BTC USD. Again, if you take a look upon from here, this was your 9.4 and here 11,000. Okay, awesome entry again here, okay, and here. So my point is, if you will trade on solid technical basis, Bitcoin is a highly great opportunity to grab up awesome profits. Simple to the point and highest ever successful strategy, this is this one. Now you can see this, you can see this. Okay, now let me show you this amazing entry. We got our buy from here. Now this is the time period when Bitcoin was on 3000 level, okay, 3600, and now this trade went for 7500, 4000 pips in this amazing buy entry. What else you guys need? Really simple to the point and huge profitable one. So if you take a look upon this sell entry, it works like on every time frame like a charm. Really simple to the point and huge, amazing, profitable. Again, let me explain you, my dear students. It will give you an alert window in my daily live trades. I will be updating this. This is the your area to take your buy entry. This is stop loss, and let your trade run. You will not cut your trade. You will not close your trade. In trading, there is saying why people lose trade, because they run their losses for the long term and they cut their profits for the short term. So you will not cut your profits. Let your trade this run. This is trade in front of your eyes. This was buy from 10,060, this one, okay, and now it is running in 14,000 pips profit. What else you guys need? Amazing profitable strategy. Huge, huge, huge profitable. And even if you perform it on 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, on daily time frame. Now one question arises, if you are an investor who wants to take some long term invest, I would recommend you to trade on daily time frame. For example, from here you bought this, okay, from this level, okay, and this was your low stop loss, a little bit stop loss, like small stop loss, and let your trade run. Okay, let's see on this, what was the date when you got your this entry. You can see that you got this entry on 29th of September 2020, and still this trade is running, and this is end of even December, 26th December, whenever I am recording this lesson. Okay, you guys can see that, and this is really working like a charm. So I hope all of you guys have understand this, the concept of the strategy. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Still you have any question, please feel freedom to ask me in the inbox, and it will be pleasure for me to help you in this Bitcoin. Thank you so much, and I wish you a happy new year from the Smart Forex Academy. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. God bless you.